Hey everybody, today is the 5th of February 2026. Just making another video. I made one yesterday, so I figured I'd try again. This is what I have to do. Do you know how it feels to just make videos and feel like no one's listening? And then there's a lot of what ifs. You can have a lot of regret. I don't know if I'm going to stay in Las Vegas. I'm glad I moved out of New Mexico, but that doesn't mean I want to stay in Las Vegas. I'm just here for now, till I figure the next step. Job hunting sucks. I've been trying to job hunt. Just would give anything to see or hear from my children. They don't care. They never reach out. No matter how I try, it just goes unheard. Did I have something there? Is that I don't know. Let's see what that is. Job hunting sucks when you're older. I don't think I'm gonna stay here in Las Vegas either. I don't like the heat. You don't really get winters. It rained a little bit, but not much. I'm not looking forward to this summer. I don't even talk to my landlord. He lives in the same house. I don't even care about him. I have to do my taxes. I hate doing taxes. I don't have anyone here, just me. I have one sister in America, but we don't really talk. It's hard to have a conversation. Trying to just get a part-time job to supplement my income. And it's been really hard. My car just doubled. I had a landlord steal my deposit. It's been hard. My children don't talk to me. Ever. Never. Not even for Christmas. All the letters I've written all go unheard. They never respond. It leaves just a huge hole in your heart. My hair grows, but it splits off in the back. I need like Olaplex or something. Olaplex. Because look at these short bits. Just splits. My hair is really thin. Like I can feel my scalp in the back. I would just love to hear from my children. Connor, Caden, and Colin. Don't you care about your mom? Are you just brainwashed to hate me? I just don't understand why you don't reach out and talk to me. You know what your father is doing isn't right, but you continue to support him, even though you know what he's doing is wrong. But you continue to go along with it. You continue to listen to him. Any father that takes children away from their mother is a monster. Just don't know why you don't reach out. I continue to pay child support. I write letters and the checks. Keep asking Connor to reach out, and he never does. Caden doesn't talk to me. Colin. Do you know how it feels having 3 children that won't even talk to you? It doesn't make you feel good. I don't have anyone to love me right now. My children don't talk to me. I was a mother, and Stephen Clump and Armin Karyan took all that away. Gave him everything. And then lied, saying that I refused to cooperate when everything was handed to him. All the tears I used to shed. I was so emotional. Lawyers are so expensive. It takes a lot just to make videos, especially when no one really supports you. Sure, there are people that listen, but nobody ever reaches out. That's why I don't trust anybody. That's why I don't care about anyone. And that's why when people cry, I don't give a shit. Because I lack that gene, that empathy gene. I don't have it anymore for people. Because I just remember everything I went through, and I went through it alone. I didn't have anyone to support me. And it just makes you hardened to people. It's a very selfish world we live in. There's a lot of rich people that can help, and they choose not to. Lawyers are greedy. The court doesn't look out for children. I don't go to church anymore because I don't believe in God. Or else I tell myself God's busy with all the other issues going on in the world. He doesn't have time. I didn't see a purpose in going to church. I wasn't getting anything out of it. I felt like you were talking to a wall. Grew up religious, grew up going to church. I didn't see a purpose in going to church anymore because I wasn't seeing my kids. My kids were my world. My kids meant everything to me, and I had that taken. And with that, it takes part of your soul. You just become hardened. You don't want to spend time with people because you feel like people are going to judge you. You're a mother, but you don't have your kids. Why don't you have your kids? You kids don't want you. I can be angry, mad at my kids for never reaching out, because they hurt me every day. That they don't reach out to me, they hurt me. Calling every day, you don't reach out to me, you hurt me. Caden, you too. Every day. All the times you could have reached out and you don't. That hurt me. The only reason your hearts are full of hatred is because your father, Brian Baca, has put hatred in your heart. Samuel Baca has put hatred in your heart, and so has Jennie, Tookie. They're horrible people. They're horrible people. You should never have been put in the place you were put. You never got to speak out in court. Your father told the court that you hated me, that you wanted nothing to do with me, and that it would hurt you to see me. Is that true, Connor, Caden, and Colin, that you hate your mother? You want nothing to do with me. He's turning you into narcissists just like him. Brian Baca, Red Bloom Road, is pure evil. Samuel Baca in Glenwood Hills is pure evil. Vera, Jennie, Tookie is a fake humanitarian. Everybody in his family, not one member ever reached out to me. It's like once you're out of the family, they didn't care. Boys, what your father and your grandparents did hurt me so much. They might have more money, but that's all they have. I know a huge piece of you is missing. I know that deep down you hurt as much as I do. Do you hear the train? I don't have the money they have. Your father could have shared custody, but he chose not to. He didn't want to share custody. Anyway, I would love to hear from you boys. It would mean everything in this world. Everything. You took a minute to reach out to your mom. If you answered any of the calls, any of the videos, you can call me. He doesn't have to know. Stop reporting everything back to your father and grandparents. They're not who you think they are. Stop reporting everything back to them. They're paying you to stay away from me. They're scaring you from talking to your mother. That's not right, and you know it's not right. Connor, Caden, and Colin, if you care any tiny, tiny, tiny bit about your mom, you need to do what's right. You have to stop being scared. You have to do what's right. Do not disrespect your mom. Don't have your hearts full of hate. Don't. It's going to eat you up inside. I know you're not happy, boys. I know it. Because you were put in a position you should have never been put in. You should have had access to both parents. But your father and your grandparents didn't want you to do that. They wanted to erase me from your lives. And the court went along with it. Stephen Klump went along with it. Armin Karian went along with it. Edmund Perea. My children didn't have a voice. There's no guardian ad litem. Anyway, I love you with all my heart. I love you so much, and I have made so many videos. I have written so many letters. And it won't hurt you to just make one phone call. Would mean everything in the world. But I can't force you to do it. That has to come from you. You have to want to do that. You have to stop being scared. Break out of this fear that he has put you in. Boys, you know in your hearts what they're doing is wrong, and yet you choose to go along with it. When you were in school, you saw your friends with their parents. I couldn't even go to your school. I wasn't allowed. I wasn't on the list. Talk to your mother, boys. Do what's right. Reach out. They don't have to know. And you have to stop reporting everything back to them. They're not who you think they are. They're pure evil. Samuel Baca, Brian Baca, and Vera, Jennie, Tookie. They're pure evil. What they have done to hurt your mother. Because they've hurt me. They wanted me to commit suicide so that you would never know the truth. They wanted to make my life so horrible that I would just kill myself. That's what they wanted. They wanted to erase your mother from your lives. They wanted you to go along with it. And you have. Because you've never reached out to me, ever. Instead, you have chosen to be angry at your mom. Because you're only getting one side of the story. Are you content with knowing one side of the story? I urge you to talk to your mother. I urge you to reach out. Nobody can keep you away from your mother. The only one that can keep you away, boys, is you. It's your decision. When you get older and you have never spoke to me, you can't blame anyone else because you have a voice. Just because Samuel Baca is paying your phone bill doesn't give him the right for you to not reach out to me. He's only doing that so he can monitor if you talk to me or not. So don't use his phone. Use your friend's phone. I urge you, boys, talk to your mother. Reach out to your mother. You only have one mom. I love you with all my heart, and I really wish you love your mom too. I hurt just as much as you do, boys. I hurt just as much, and I'm just as angry. It's a cruel world. We live in a cruel world, a horrible world, an unfair world. I don't think I'm asking for a whole lot. I'm asking you, boys, from the bottom of my heart, talk to your mom. I know you don't mean to hurt me, but every day that goes by, you don't reach out. That hurts me. Every day. Every Christmas, every Thanksgiving, every birthday, every Mother's Day that I don't hear from you, it hurts me. Seeing other parents with their children, seeing school buses. I love you with all my heart. And I'm just asking you to put your anger aside and just talk to me. You deserve to know the truth. Look up parental alienation and you'll see everything that he's doing is called parental alienation, boys. Look it up. I love you. And if you love me, Connor, Caden, and Colin, you will reach out to me. If you love or you care about your mom, you'll reach out. But if you don't, then you don't care about your mother. You have to stop being scared. You have to stop giving your father that power. The power to scare you. The power to threaten you. Only a monster will do what he's done. You have a right to see both parents. Nobody should be able to keep you away. I love you with all my heart, and I don't think I'm asking for a whole lot. All I'm asking is that my 3 sons care about their mother. That's all I'm asking. I've carried this burden with me for the last 10 years. I don't want to keep carrying it. I worry about you all the time. I worry something will happen to you. I didn't bring 3 children into this world to be on my own. But the New Mexico family court took my kids from me. Stephen Klump took my kids, Armin Karian, Deborah Ramirez. They didn't care about children having both parents. They just picked a side and went with it. I don't want to keep suffering because I suffer. And I know you suffer too, boys. Do what's right. Show your mom you care. I'm not mad with you. I just wish you had reached out. But it's not too late. I wish you had responded to my letters. I wish you had sent me a text. I wish you stopped giving Brian Baca power to control you and Samuel Baca. All those vacations are not going to mean anything when you don't have your mom. They're buying your love with money. If you take the money away, there's nothing left. Love comes from the heart, boys. It doesn't come from money. Show your mom you care. Reach out. I love you.